Hello guys, today we will learn that how to create a YouTube account on Google. First of all, open your browser. In search bar, type sign up Google. In search result, click on create a Google account. Here you will see step 1, choose a Google account type. There are two options for myself and to manage a business. Here we will click on for myself. Now we will fill and submit this form. Enter your first name, then enter your last name. After that, choose a unique username. Here you may use letters, numbers and periods. Type your password. Confirm the password by retyping the same password here. Now click on the next button. Here you have to verify your phone number. From the drop down list, select your country and type your phone number. Now click on next button. Here you have to verify your phone number. Google has sent you a code on your mobile number through SMS. Enter the same code here. Your phone number will be verified after clicking on verify. Now we have to enter a recovery email address. This is an optional requirement. Here we have to enter our birthday month, day and the year. The birthday date should be same as on your identity card. Now select your gender. Click on the next button. Here Google is asking to use some other services. Click on skip or yes, I am in. Read privacy and terms carefully and then click on I agree. Now your Google account has been created. The same Google username and the password will be used to further sign in to the YouTube. From the upper right hand corner, click on the Google apps. By clicking on the YouTube, you will be signed in to the same Google account which we have created just now. Thank you for watching the video.